Hello, I'm Shakib Ahmed, Business Development Manager for ASUS Commercial Business for UAE and GCC region. I'm present here at ASUS booth in GITEX Technology Exhibition 2021. It's upbeat. We can see a lot of crowd around, and ASUS has full range of commercial products featured here for channel and customers to have a hands-on live experience. I'm here with my team to meet customers and to brief them about our products, our solutions, our services and technology. It's been very good at GITEX this year, and we hope to catch up with the leads we have been able to generate here. See, like I said, we represent ASUS Commercial PC Business Division, and our products are designed keeping the end user in mind from SMB, education, government and enterprise segment. GITEX Technology exhibition attracts a lot of crowd both from channel as well as end user community, which are relevant to these verticals: hospitality, healthcare, education. So it was absolutely essential for us, especially after pandemic, to be around, open up to customers about our latest products and technology, and speak to them, interact with them, and understand more from them how we can serve them better. So being here was because the business people are around, and you can see the crowd is upbeat. We primarily focus on laptops, desktops, all-in-ones and Chromebooks. We have a product range called ProArt stations for the creator community, and we have certain industry-specific products designed for certain end users in certain verticals like education, for example. We have some very innovative, revolutionary products. One of such product is our flagship notebook called ExpertBook B9. It's the lightest 14-inch business laptop available in the market. It offers 24 hours battery for users. So this is just one of such product. We have a wide range of laptops and desktops which suit the end users in these business verticals. It's been really good. It's quite surprising. I'm wondering, probably we should participate in more events. We don't get a chance to get so many people related to the businesses, get a hands-on live experience, because we are not present in the retail formats so full-fledged. So this was an opportunity to showcase our products. And for ASUS, it was more important because 2022, we have a complete new range of products lined up for the year. We have some notebooks equipped with the 5G LTE technology. There are certain flip notebooks which are new in terms of form factor. There are a lot of features added because of the distance learning and work from home requirements. So all these products are displayed here. So that has been quite significant for us. And in terms of products, I would say, like you see the all-in-one range here, this has been very well accepted by UAE government customers. Now, being here, we want to introduce the same to the GCC customers so that we can take the products to their countries. There have been a lot of leads that we have received. Our team outright would be working on those leads, trying to connect with them. And it's an opportunity. There are some business verticals we were not in touch with. We have received contacts from those verticals. And it was interesting to hear them out that they were looking forward to ASUS, and it was good to see the products here. So our interest would be to understand the needs of customers from these business segments and develop more products and solutions, and also offer them what is already available. So that would be our intent after the event. And surely, based on the kind of response we got, we look forward to some more public events like this in UAE during 2022 and beyond.